Students watching, welcome to our seatwork lesson. In this lesson, we are going to begin with the front of our arithmetic paper. When we're done with that, we're going to finish up the back side of our letters and sounds and language papers. After that, it's time for us to write our spelling words. Remember, you'll write the first column next to the houses, and the second column goes next to the second fold right in the middle of your paper. When you are done neatly writing those spelling words, we have a Bible Friends activity paper we're going to do, and then it's time to go back to our writing tablet paper. On the back of the writing tablet paper, we have some combinations to answer. Now notice, some of them are missing add-in combinations, so you find that add-in that's missing that makes the combination true, and then just solve the rest of the combinations. After that, we have 3 spelling words that I want you to write a good sentence for. Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter, it usually ends with a period, and make it an interesting, complete thought. After that, we're going to count by tens vertically, from 10 all the way to 100. Let's look together at our seatwork papers that we have for this lesson. The first thing we're going to do on arithmetic is neatly write that first and last name. Number 1 is going to be a challenge because it says to write the missing numbers. Make sure that you carefully fill in our answers. Notice the top, we have addition, and at the bottom row, we're going to have some subtraction, so find out what makes that combination true, that missing number. Number 2 says mark the circle under the number that comes right before. So notice something that really helps us to remember. There's a blank line in front of the number. So think to yourself what number comes before the number they have written, and you'll mark the circle underneath. Let's look at this first one together, and students watching, read our number to us. And what number do you see, Kira?
42.
What number comes right before 42, students watching? And Kira, would you answer that?
41.
That's it. So you'll find 41 and mark the circle underneath. Did you see this, students watching? Kira didn't get tricked. She didn't say 43. Why didn't she say 43? Kira, does it come before?
No.
It comes?
After.
It does. It comes right after. So students watching, be careful as you do the rest of these. Don't get tricked. Do that number that comes before. Number 3 says you're going to count by tens all the way to 100. Take this paper and put it underneath. The next paper we are looking at is our letters and sounds paper. Put your finger right at number 1. Number 1 says circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Let's say our special sounds together. Spol and splash, SPL, spol, spol, spol. Spur and sprain, SPR, spur, spur, spur. Now you'll circle those special sounds, mark the vowels, and don't forget to read the words in your head. Notice too, we have an extra box at the bottom that has all kinds of special sounds. See if you can find all of them and read all of these words. Number 2 says to circle the special sound you hear in the picture word. Well, let's look at this first one right here. Tell us what you see on this picture. Kyle?
Nest.
A nest is it, and what special sound is in nest, Kyle? Look at your choices and think. Do you know what, students watching? Help us out, Bailey.
Stop.
Yes, you'll circle ST and stop for the end of the word nest, and you'll do that for the rest of these pictures. Take this paper and put it underneath. The next paper we are looking at is our language worksheets. Put your finger right at number 1. Number 1 says to match the picture with the words that rhyme. So notice our 2 columns and match the pictures for rhyming things together. Number 2 says you're going to finish the riddle. So carefully read that riddle, write the answer neatly on the lines, and then underneath draw a picture of your answer to the riddle. Number 3 says you need to finish the sentences and read the story. So notice we're beginning with a title. We have many of the words in the sentence. We even have a picture to help us, but use the word in the green box that will finish this sentence correctly and completely, and don't forget to write neatly. Now, after you're done with your language worksheet, it's going to be time for you to work on your spelling words. Remember to carefully connect with all of those letters. When you're done with spelling, it's time for Bible Friends activity. So let's look at that paper together. Our Bible Friends activity is a fun worksheet today. After you write your name neatly at the top, our directions say find out what God promised to give to Abraham and then color the picture. Notice we have a key at the top. Use those colors and find the shape that you should color each one of those. Find the shape for each color. You may begin.